Need to optimize OBS Studio performance on Windows 11? I'll show you how to control its process priority for better CPU management. Open OBS Studio and click on Settings under the Controls section. In the Settings window, select the Advanced tab from the left-hand menu. Scroll to the General section and locate Process Priority. Click the drop-down menu to choose from 5 priority levels: Idle below normal, default, above normal high adjust. The priority based on your needs. Increase it, for example above normal or high, to prioritize OBS performance. Decrease it, for example below normal, to improve multitasking for other apps. Click Apply, and then OK to confirm the changes. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.